Mastering Inseparable Phrasal Verbs, the Essential Guide. Hello language learners! Welcome to another exciting video on our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating part of English grammar: inseparable phrasal verbs. We're not just going to learn about them, but we're also going to understand their structure and how to use them in sentences. So, buckle up and let's get started. Before we jump into the structure of inseparable phrasal verbs, let's first understand what they are. Inseparable phrasal verbs are phrases that include a verb and a preposition or adverb, or both, where the words function as a single semantic unit. Unlike separable phrasal verbs, the object of an inseparable phrasal verb cannot come between the verb and the particle. Common examples include run into, get over, and look after. Now, let's move on to the main topic of this video: the structure of inseparable phrasal verbs. These types of phrasal verbs consist of a verb plus adverb or preposition, and the object follows the adverb or preposition. The structure can be represented as follows: subject plus verb plus adverb, preposition plus object. For instance, in the sentence, I ran into my old friend at the market, ran into is the inseparable phrasal verb, I is the subject, and my old friend at the market is the object. The next thing we need to look at is how to use inseparable phrasal verbs correctly. Despite the particles, adverbs or prepositions, in inseparable phrasal verbs being fixed, using these phrases can still be a little tricky because their meaning often doesn't directly relate to the individual words. For instance, get over means to recover from something, not physically getting over an object. So, it's important to learn these verbs as a whole phrase, understanding the unique meaning that the combination of words provides. And there we have it, folks. Today we've learned about inseparable phrasal verbs, their structure, and how to use them. Remember, the key to mastering these verbs is to understand them as a single unit and practice using them in context. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!